let me just take you over its outlooks. So as you can see, the one I got has a very nice black color, and I really like the elegant texture and the design. And here is of course the power button and a Wi-Fi button, just in case that you want to control this with your phone. Let me just turn this around to show you what's going on underneath this robot. So as you can see, the two big brushes, one here and one here, are for cleaning purposes, and they will be actually spinning around when you turn this thing on. And this little ball right here is for the direction of this thing, so to move left, right, or turn around. And this part right here is the actual vacuum for cleaning, and these are the two power wheels. Now this blue box right here is where all the dust or the dirt goes. So if you want to clean this vacuum, you just have to take this blue box off and wash it or clean it. Now after knowing how this works, let me actually do a little bit of a demo. So to turn this thing on, what you have to do is you have to locate the power button on the side, and usually it has a peel. Just peel this off, and as you can see, here is the power button. Just turn it on. After turning it on, you hear that sound, and this blue light will come on. So to make it start cleaning, you just press it once and let go. As you can see, it starts to clean, and when it's sensing an object, it will of course turn around. So that's to the work of the motion sensor and the object sensor. As you can see, when it's on the carpet, it works very well. It can go inside your bed to clean what's going on under your bed. But you just have to be careful because sometimes it might not come out for a while. But you know, it's pretty nice to show that it can clean. Well, here it comes out. Here it comes. And you just press it once to turn it off. Yeah, as you can see. So that was a very short demo of how it works. What I really like about it is, first, its design, and second, you can actually control this with your phone. So when you receive the product and you read the manual, there will be a website or a link to the app. You just download the app, and then from there you can control this with your phone. And you can actually do some really cool things like timing, or you can even draw the path that you want this thing to go. So another thing that I really like about this is that it basically has a drop sensor. So when it's approaching a stair or somewhere that might fall off, it will turn around. So that's one thing that you can be safe about when you're buying this thing. Finally, it does a really good job of finding dirt place in my house, so I don't really have to control it with my phone. The sound when it's cleaning is not too bad, and it's much softer than regular vacuum, so that's good. Overall, it's a great product. I really like it, and the speed that it moves is actually not too fast and not too slow. The only concern I have with this is once you see it cleaning for a couple of times, you actually think that it's alive. So that's pretty funny, and you might get some sort of emotional attachment to this little robot right here.